Hello children, welcome back to mathematics video classes. In the last video, we completed 4 problems in exercise 1.2. We continue next problems on this exercise. Look at the screen. That is fifth problem. Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. Same, I read this. Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. How do you find greatest and least numbers by using these 5 digits? By using these digits, greatest number, we can form a greatest number with individual digits by arranging them in descending order from right. And similarly, we can form a least number by arranging them in ascending order from right. First solution, given digits. What are the given digits? 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. First, you find greatest number. By using these digits, can you write descending order of these digits? 7, first we write, next we write 6, next 4, next 3, next 2. This is the descending order of the digits. This is the greatest number by using these 5 digits, that is 76,432. Next one, smallest number. What is the smallest number by using these digits? By using these 5 digits, 22 first we write, next 3, next 4, next 6, next 7. This is the ascending order of the by using given 5 digits, 23,467. What we find this problem, their difference, greatest number and the smallest number, difference between these numbers. Their difference is 76,432 minus 23,467. What is the answer? 52,965. This is the difference, 52,965. Let us solve next problem. Sixth one. Sixth problem. A Michelin on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? A Michelin on average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? Here, every year in the month of January there are 31 days. Okay. Solution, number of days in January 2006 is equal to 31 days. Given that number of screws produced per a day, number of screws produced per a day, 2825 screws were produced. How do you get the answer? How many screws were produced in one day? That is equal to 2825 screws. How many screws produced in 31 days? Number of screws produced in 31 days. How many screws were produced in 31 days? When we multiply 2825 by number of days, that is 31 days. When we multiply those two, we get the answer. What is the answer? 87,575 screws were produced. Here, therefore, 87,575 screws were produced in 31 in the month of January 2006. Here 87,575 screws were produced in the month of January 2006. We go to next problem. A merchant had 78,592 rupees with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at 1200 rupees each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? A merchant had 78,592 rupees with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at 1200 rupees each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? How do you do this problem? First solution. Cost of one radio. What is the cost of radio set? 1200 rupees. Here, cost of 40 radio sets. How do you get the answer? Cost of 40 radio sets. You multiply each radio set into 40 radio sets. And 1200 into 40. What is the answer? 1200 into 40? 48,000. Now, total money with the merchant. Total money with the merchant. How much money with the merchant? 78,592 rupees. Next, money spent by her. Money spent by her. How much money is spent by her 40 radio sets? That is 48,000. To find their difference, we get the answer. Difference. Therefore, difference is equal to 78,592 minus 48,000 rupees. 30,500 92. Here 30,592 will remain with her after the purchase. Hence 30,592 rupees will remain with her after the purchase. This is the answer. We will go to next problem. Look at the screen. 8th problem. A student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? What is the problem? A student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Actually, the given number 7,236 should be multiplied by 56. By mistake, he multiplied by 65. First, we find wrong answer. If a solution, if a student multiplied 7,236 by 65, he will get the answer 7,236 into 65. What is the answer? 4,70,340. 7,236 multiplied by 65. The answer is 4,70,340. By according to the problem, if he multiplied 7,236 by 56, he will get the answer 7,236 into 56. What is the answer? 4,05,216. First one is wrong answer, second one is correct answer. What is the difference between these two answers? You find their difference. $4,70,340 minus 4,05,216. The difference is 65,124. By the difference is greater than the correct answer. Hence, the answer was greater than the correct answer, greater than the correct answer by greater than the correct answer by 65,124. Hence the answer was greater than the correct answer by 65,124. Let's we stop here. Remaining sums we continue in the next video. Thank you for watching.